I got an email from a new Investing Buddies the other day. He said, "Hi, I'm new to trading and only have option 1 trading rights on my trading platform. I can buy and sell stocks and do covered calls, and that's about it. What would you advise me to do to get started?" Well, I'm glad you asked. The first thing I would do is begin working on arranging to get better trading rights with your platform. Many times they have an educational series you can take or a test. Get on the phone right away and find out, because you really do need rights at an option 3 or greater level. Let's get back to your question. Stock and covered calls. You can do those. Critical is picking the right stock to trade. You need to have the stock going up in price. Get really good at reading sector rotations. Sectors come into favor and they go out of favor. Now, there are 12 sectors in the stock market, and companies are placed in those different sectors depending on how they generate their income. For instance, they could be a manufacturing or a healthcare or a technical or a service industry. I only track 11 of these sectors because the 12th sector is conglomerates. For instance, GE is a conglomerate with many unrelated divisions. They manufacture light bulbs. They have a financial division where they provide financing for consumers. They have a healthcare division, and they also manufacture major appliances. Now, sectors tend to rotate in and out depending on where we are in our current economic cycles. In contraction or recession times, you will find that consumer staples do really well, utilities, that sort of thing. We all need to eat, wash our clothes, and have utilities on for heat. So they do well when things are bad. When things are good, the stocks that do well are the ones that are discretionary, like, oh, I've got enough money, I can go out and buy this or that. They do better when the economy's in good shape. Once I identify a stock within a sector that's doing well, I don't just go out and buy it. I start trading naked puts with the goal of being put to. If you're going to trade in naked puts, you've got to have enough cash in your account that's freed up that you can pay for the stock. You don't have the right to buy on margin with level 1 rights. So if you buy a $20 stock, that means you have to have $2,000 of cash in your account. Options are sold in contracts of 100 shares. So if $20 times 1 contract, that'd be 100 shares, equals $2,000. Now, I have all kinds of trading setups at my fingertips, and I employ them based on how the market is trending. I was once explaining to a friend this method of obtaining shares by selling naked puts and banking some money week by week. I can't take all the credit for this kind of trading. I watched Warren Buffett do it on a personal trade he was making, and I thought it was brilliant. My friend looked at me and he said, "Now you're one smart cookie. Most of you know me, and I like to name my trades." Why? Because it's fun. I liked the sound of what my friend was saying, and I started calling this trading concept the smart cookie trade. Taking it just a little further, when you are ready to sell your stock, sell covered calls with the idea of letting them be called away. You're a smart cookie. What I just outlined for you is good, but I think there's even a better way to set this trade up. This Thursday, we're doing a deep dive on smart cooking trading. Click below to see what we are all about and to join us up. And just for listening this far, I have a free gift. Remember, I told you I use a trade journal that I've developed that tracks all my trades and lets me see my gains. I never lose track of a trade this way. And even better, the journal lets me analyze possible trades and analyze completed trades for how well I did and where I could have improved. If you would like a copy of this journal, just email me at learn@investingbuddies.com. It's free to you and all my trading buddies. Hit the button below to join this elite trading group. You're going to just sit on your duff, or you're going to learn to be a great trader, a great thinking trader.